Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you will be fine today in this video we will discuss 5 such topics, home decor tips everybody should know while decoration their home. Guys, please, before starting a video, please subscribe my channel and till full watch my videos. Home is where the heart is, they say. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you retire after a long day, a place that brings you peace and joy. Your home should reflect your personality in the trust sense. While doing up your house is a dream come true, it can also be daunting when venturing into the world of home decor without any expertise is both thrilling and challenging. From choosing the colors, plate, and texture to lighting, decoration, and furniture, the task of making decisions seems you have the freedom to bring your vision to life, but it might be a Herculean task without the guidance of professionals. Guys, approaching up your home does not always require a complete overhaul or a hefty budget. You can definitely stick to the basics and build your home from there with a little creativity and attention to detail. Even the simplest addition can make a significant difference whether you are sitting into a new home or looking or to refresh your current space. There are the top 5 home decoration tips that can transform your space into a stylish and cozy haven. Guys, please, before starting topics, please subscribe my channel and till full watch my video. Thank you. Guys, first is understanding your personal style. The first step is decoration any space, whether you are working with experts or doing it yourself, is to be clear about your personal style. Home styling is not about following trends but also about expression yourself, your aspiration, and even your quirky side. The colors that you like, the decoration that brings you joy, the aesthetics that you prefer. You need to think about that what you prefer when it comes to interior styling and trust your as you move ahead. If you are trying to understand your professional style, you can also read up on a different aesthetic and home decoration essentials that are currently trending by doing through the Pure Home Living blog. Guys, second step is priorities a focal point. Every room should have a focal point. It could be a sofa for a living room, a king size bed, or for the bedroom, a piece of artwork, a statement furniture piece, or even a uniquely designed wall. It depends on what you would like to keep as the main element with when it comes to styling. The only tip to keep in mind while picking a focal point is to choose a single statement piece that can take your space from simple is striking. Guys, that part is starting with a natural base. When thinking about the colors you would want to incorporate into a space, it is key to start with naturals. A natural base like whites, beige, grays, and taupees offer a timeless foundation and exude sophistication but also allow versatility as taste evolve or seasons change. Home decoration textures and colors can be seamlessly introduction or switch out. Guys, fourth is add colors with decoration. Introduce colors into your homes with home decoration pieces. It is one of the easiest rules to follow when it comes to home styling tips. Home decoration allow dynamic and periodic refreshes without committing permanent changes or color for colors, cautions, vases, lanterns, lamp decoration pieces, and more from pure home plus living mixers and give your home a vibrant touch. While the foundational tones may remain natural or muted, it is the colorful decoration that celebrates visuality and enable the space to evolve effortlessly with time and taste. Guys, our last topic is land greenery to the space. Breathing life into the space by adding a dash of greenery, potted plant flowers, arrangements, succulents at more and more at Pure Home Plus Living. You will find a wide range of timeless, durable, and easy to maintain flowers and flowers and greens that will lend a refreshing element to the pot dedicated to potting and trimming your outdoor plants. And the best part, this table is made from a few galvanized barrels and an old wooden door. Second is build a pallet garden. Attach clay pots to a pallet with nails and stainless steel cable ties for a living art display that keeps your rosemary and basil at the ready. Space out the pots so your plants have room to grow. Next is fill a pergola with greens. Grow your garden vertically by trailing plants up the sides of a pergola fence or outdoor wall. English white potatoes and Russian vines are a few great choices. Next, crop colorful plants markers. Keep your garden organized so harvesting remains quick and easy. Craft your own plants makers using wooden paints, sticks, and some acrylic paint. Added bonus, this is the perfect craft for kids. Next is turn a barrel into a pond. Make use of an old whiskey barrel and create your own backyard pond. A great alternative if you don't have space for a real one. Add your water plants, lily pads, of course, and even a few small fish. Next is mix is vibrant chairs. Outfitting a small space does not mean you have to settle for drab furniture. The richer the better is the way to go to bring your outdoor area to life. Turn colanders into planters. Hang spring flowers in brightly colored colanders for an unexpected porch updated. Create a living wall. If you don't have floor space to display your plants, mount pots onto the exterior of your house. Here, interior designer Tori Robinson sticks with terracotta pots. But you can also go for bold patterns and colors. Embrace container gardening. Green up your patio or deck with oversized terracotta or plastic planters overflowing with anything from tomatoes to window wildflowers. The lush lineup here creates a pretty privacy wall. Optional for a vertical herb garden. Whether you have a small yard or lack outdoor space, altogether a vertical garden can be a charming addition. You can create one on your own with landscape fabric and copper pipe. Try square foot gardening. This highly efficient method divides raised beds into a grid. Vegetables then get planted in one or more squares at a density based on plant size. You had planted about 6 radish seeds per square, but only one tomato plant. DIY a double function with just a few supplies, including a submersible pump, a waterproof pot, and decorative river rocks. You can make your garden more zen with an eye-catching DIY bubble function. Put up a vertical planter. Note 1: only does this DIY take up less surface area than multiple pots on the ground wall, but it can also serve as a privacy fence for nosy neighbors. Assemble an herb garden. There's something special about an orderly display of potted plants, especially when they are in vibrant colors that showcase the beauty of the season. Upcycle an old ladder. Turn a wooden ladder into a space-saving stand for flowers, veggies, and herbs with just a few boards and a coat of paint. Let climbing vines take over. Covered with ivy, a frail-free fence acts as a natural privacy barrier to shield a patio or garden from view. Make a fairy garden. Think small, really small with this adorable project, outfitted with a mini birdhouse, rustic stones, and teeny tiny accessories. This planter is a fun craft to make these kids. Hang outdoor lighting. Elevate any outdoor gathering with globe staring lights, whether you choose to hang them on a fence or under pergola. Repurpose shutters. Lean lowers old or new against an exterior wall and fill slots with hardy plants such as succulents or mosses. Succulents are nearly indestructible but can get scorched in direct sunlight, so put them on the shady side of your home. Use a bird bath as a succulent garden. Hardy succulents which store water in their stems and leaves will thrive in a shallow bird bath. Perch, add pebbles to hold more moisture in the soil. Make the most of combining planting. Placing flowers and veggies together in the same beds does not just save space, it will help boost your yields and keep plants happy by attracting more pollinators. To create contrast with terracotta pots transformed in expensive galvanized steel wash tubs into planters. This long law oval vision with daring drainage holes pocket in the bottom shows off a basil core filled furniture with plants. This clever table works hard for your yard. Not only is it a neat way to showcase plants, but it's also a nice spot to place your book as you sip lemonade. And the end of this video, please guys, subscribe my channel and leave a comment for our better guideline. Watching a full video, thank you so much, god bless you. On guys, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and tell for why you watch my video. Guys, fourth is decorative plates. When we talk about home accessories, decorative plates are quite in fashion with their quirky designs and visual appeal. Whether we talk about wall decorative plates or decorative plates with a stands, there are an number of themes and designs available at. You can go for next is wall accents. Guys, fifth is wall accents. Wall accents are nothing but executive pieces of decoration items that can be hung on walls, radiating sophistication